Today we are finally revealing. So after this video, I posted video. This video. Wait, I think this is the wrong video. I think. Yeah, wait. Is that wrong? Is that wrong? Yeah, I was changing her, but nothing ever happened. So this is the next day. So let's check. It's still fine. Let's go. Gotcha life. So I think this is a busted. Wait guys, I didn't come back. Okay, just kidding. I'm just kidding. I think we're gonna give this gotcha life hack is busted because nothing happened. Yeah, this don't work because I'm a Filipino. I'm Filipino kid. Sana all I'm Filipino. I know one of you guys are Filipino. I don't know I'm speaking English. It's just the same way I do to my videos. And one of my videos got viral in only 1 day. This video, somebody finally watched my Pokemon video. This video.
Merry Christmas to you too. Merry Christmas to you too.
And voice come in the my voice and come in. I didn't expect that to happen. See, my voice was just like maybe it was in the end. And it got viral and only in 1 day. Wow, how viral is that? Get it? Okay. And this is my video. Nobody still hasn't watched it. And betrayed us. So I need to get my three friends because okay, one of them already friend me. Okay, that's great. Now I need 2 more friends. I'm just gonna friend everybody today want to. Okay. I was going to post this video. So we're gonna watch it. Don't get spooky. It's by me, okay? Tawa. Okay, nagkatagalog na lang si video. Tawa. Ano siya? Sino ba yun? I don't like it. Apple, tumulong ka. Ay, nawalaan ako. Hala, namutin siya! Kawawa si Bacon. Hashtag, kawawa si Bacon, no offense. Kawawa si Bacon. Hindi na namin makita. Pero si Jeff pala yung killer eh, no? SCPC yun. Alam ko nga yung mga SCP, pero di ko alam kung anong SPU. Buti walang sound.
Roses, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Hello.
Bagal-bagal niya. Ang bagal-bagal niya.
Oh my God. Yet another victim of the disease.
Hindi na siya makakit. Ang dali naman yun, nabagal ka rin. Hashtag. Squid. Ano, pa rin. Ay, ayun pala. Nag-third ako. Kahit na, manlulubat ako ipagtulog ako eh. I-charge mo yan. Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay, ano nangyari? Ghostbuster? Ano yun? Ay, di ko na-touch. Chucky again? Oh, nag-leave na si girl, guys. Oh my God, nag-leave si girl. Okay, buti. Maliit si Chucky. Kung malaki si Chucky, makakakyat na agad siya dito. By the way. Bro, mag-iakyat ko. Ay, para alam ko naman yun ah. Okay, nag-spawn yung monster si Treehouse. So, tara na guys. Saan ba? Ay, may sigbag. Ayan. Takbo. Ay, buti na lang kami. I am a girl. I am just girl. Mixie. Roxy. Sino yun? Steps. Oops. I don't like these. I want all alone. Namapatay na sila. Ano sa taas? Guys, tingnan natin. At buti walang sounds. Okay. Ay, bakit naikot? Excuse me. Likod, mamamatay siya. Hala, namatay. Pag tumingin ka, gagalaw. Pag hindi ka tumingin, gagalaw yan. Pag tumingin ka, gagalaw yan. Ang bawa naman nila. Girl. Ghostbuster. Na-touch ko yung Ghostbuster. Pero walang nangyari. Digit spinner. Ano yan? Linggo. Si Linggo. Gcash. Guys, punta dito. Safe dito. Go! Kami soldiers. Hala, nalaglag. Ay, epal ka. Ay! Girl, ang pinapanood mo? Nakakatakot naman yung pinapanood mo, girl. Akin na lang putol lahat ha. Wala namang kakain eh. Akin na. Nakakatakot naman yung pinapanood nyo. Kailangan naman masasurvive. Mamamatay tayo si movie natin pinapanood. Bobo nyo. Instead na mamatay tayo. Sinabi ko, instead na mamamatay tayo si mama, mamamatay tayo. Mamatay daw. Pag yung pinapanood doon. Baka lumilipad siya. Kanina pa, hindi pa naka-release yung killer. Hindi ko naman na-realize na finish na yung round ah. By the way, walang nakita, no? Sis, Camille, Tokni, baby. Worry. Hi, of course, si Steve. Si Steve yun, alam ko yung sounds. Alam ko lang sounds. Si Steve yun. Minecraft Steve. Aray. Bakit ang daming noobs? NPC ba to? Ayan guys. Yung round na-finish na yung round guys. Yes! Sonic! Ay, of course! Magiging blue ang screen ko. Wala makita. Nabubulag na ako. Hindi ako makita na ayos. Footprints? Tapos may kutsilyo? Joker! Sino?
Why so serious? Let's put a smile on that face.
Ay, of course, mabilis. Na. Ay, ang bilis. Ako, ay! Hindi na survive guys. Namatay ako. Hindi ako survive guys. So, that's for today. Hindi ko na na-finish yung video kasi hindi nakapantay yung pag-record ko. So, see ya!